How does it feel? You made it to day 20. I'm so happy for you. Now, if you're not a yogi, today some of this stuff you're gonna be like, what are you doing, Marissa? So watch and learn, work with me, maybe watch and then hit replay again. All right, 3, 2, 1, start down with your hands. Exhale, fold, so you're in a short down dog. And I want you guys to shift your weight to your shoulders, shift it back. So shift it out of your toes, shift it back, shift those shoulders forward, shift it back. Now bend your knees if needed, okay? Hands on blocks if you got them, and just shift. Good, now right big toe touches right wrist, left big toe touches left wrist, yeah. Right to right, left to left. How are your abs? Right to right, left to left, good. Let's do 4. It's okay if you can't get your big toes to your wrist, but if you're trying, that's beautiful. Good, 1, perfect. Now shake it out real quick, good. Hands back down to your mat for me, okay? Exhale to your balls of your feet and walk in place. So lift, lift, lift. Suck in your stomach. Find the serratus, the muscles around the ribs, walk. You should feel the top of those glutes, hammies. Oh my gosh, so much core, walk. 4, 3, 2, exhale, fold. Good, shake all that out. Nice, now put both hands down on the mat. Make your shape a little bit bigger so it looks more like a down dog. Yes, we're getting creative. Bend your knees and either shoot forward, okay? It's gonna be a lengthened plank, or bend your knees, hop, and then land. Be careful, all right? 5 hops, bend, 1, bend, 2, bend, 3, bend, 4, bend, 5. Relax that out. Nice. All right, down to those forearms. Beautiful work, guys. Exhale, crawl it back. You did this yesterday. Okay, put your right leg in the air. Exhale, hold 4. Press your left heel higher. 3, come on, core. 2, this is all core, guys. Lower, left leg up. Good, you can do this, whether you do yoga or not, it just may be new. Lower, right leg back up. 4, come on, 3, 2, lower, left leg back up. 4, come on, 3, 2, lower. Good, exhale when you're ready. Straighten one arm and then the other so your butt is in the air and then your head is hanging. Okay, now exhale your head to the ground, press. So I'm not going forward, okay? I'm coming straight down, right? Down, push, down, push. How about 3 more? 1, push, look at those toes. 2, oh yeah. 3, push. I think you have 1 more, come on. Down, push. Feet meet hands. I'll let you stand up and shake it out. All right, guys, you're almost done with today again. It's hard, but that's okay. Both hands down on the ground. Find your core, left leg up. Good. Option 1, shift the weight forward. Shift the weight back. Shift the weight forward. Shift the weight back. Option 2, hop. Good. 4. I'm not trying to say handstand, I'm just saying hop. 2 more. That means I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you to hop. Good. Release. Side 2, leg up, hold, or shift forward, or hop. Ready? 1. Very small. 2, 3. 1 more. Come on. 4. Good. Lower and fold. Exhale back to where we started. So you're in a shorter spot. All right. Big toe meets wrist. Hit, 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 hit. Now walk. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale. Right forearm, left forearm, right leg. 4, 3, 2. Put it down. Left leg. 4, 3, 2. Put it down. Straighten the arms. Left, right. Exhale, head to ground. Straighten, push back. Walk it in, left leg up. Shift forward, back, lower, right leg up. Shift forward, back, fold. Nice work, guys. Now, that was 5 minutes of handstand drills that develop a ridiculously strong core. So way to work, and thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow, and we won't be on our hands. Bye, guys.